pressure there in worksheet? Let's see here.
But this
Yes,
less
pressure.
pressure is in the slack
No,
HL.
I think better to go to the 2.8.1, Chairman. PCB 020903 malfunction full open when not required.
2.3.
Less pressure, go to less pressure. Down,
Less.
down. Yeah, this one. The first one, 2.8 point.
No.
Point one. The one. 2.8. Yeah, this one. See, your PCB to player again as malfunction
Okay.
open. So it will send the gas to the flare instead
low
of
pressure
the
here.
stage separator. You lose the controllability.
And you have taken
Lost the
you have taken
controllability.
you have taken a safeguard here, PAL. Okay, this will help.
Yes.
And high level is there, low level is there, so that is correct. Okay, so this is the correct scenario. So let's say this one, and the consequence is the same. Loss of production, ultimate loss of production.
Just start from zero. This one. Yeah.
Similar as this, this. UC7.
Yeah. This one, we did not do what do you call this? A dynamic simulation that when this fully opens, what's the pressure? What is the pressure drop? Dropping the pressure, how quick? I think it will be quick anyway because this is open to very low pressure. Right? Just go there. I'm sure 0 to 5 minutes also. It's in that range only. Maybe in Egypt.
Okay, this is correct. So what is the operator action? Operator has to investigate. Ultimate operator needs to investigate the scenario of low pressure and take suitable action to prevent a high level. Prevent low flow. Low